Hello candidates. This is regarding the SBI CBO test and also useful for SBI PO, IBPS PO essay writing. Yeah, here initially I would like to tell about the SBI CBO written test. This is the pattern of the test. I am sure all of you are aware of this. You are aware that for each wrong answer in objective test, you will be losing 1/4 of the eligible mark. And the success and one advantage of this exam is that there is no sectional cutoff, so only overall cutoff only will be decided. So there is good chance for you to score good marks in the descriptive paper, letter writing and essay, where you can score 50 marks. Out of 50, at least 30-35 marks you can score. And then if you only you score some, say about out of 100 marks, say about 40 marks or so, you'll be clearing around 75 or 80 marks. So be ready to prepare for this, because I am told that 3 people will be called for one post in every circle. And I also understand that number of people who have applied are comfortable only, that will not pose you any problem for you. So this is very important, so prepare for this. And another important point is that if you clear this written test, thereafter your performance in the interview only will matter more, not the marks scored in the written test. That's one advantage. Now I thought I must tell you some ideas about how to prepare for your essay writing. So accordingly, I have come across some of the, I say, one website known as groupdiscussionideas.com. If you go through this, you may come across some of the interesting current topics which can be asked. For example, I have in mind Form Bills 2020, National Recruitment Agency, Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, then open books exams, pros, cons and challenges, ban on Chinese apps in India. I am not going through all the topics given here. So if you click this site and go through the plus and minus of this, you will be able to get the knowledge relating to the topic. And then when you go and write in the examination, type in the examination, remember you will have to write the essay in 250 words. It should not be 300 words, it should not be 200 words. You must be able to give 250 words. Since you may be typing in, I think your exam paper must reveal how many words you have typed. So, and the say essay should consist of, say, what are the important points that try to make. Number one, introduction part is important. Then body of the essay, that is important. And then conclusion is also important. Then grammar and spelling, check your spelling, check your grammar. You can't read your essay. I don't think you have the ability of changing the answers. If you have that, you can do that. Make sure each sentence has a subject. Make sure your subjects and verbs agree with each other. Check the verb tenses of each sentence. Make sure that each sentence makes sense. Make sure your essay has an introduction, supporting paragraphs and summary paragraph. This is what is more important. And yeah, next is content, how it is tested, relevance of the answer, breadth of the essay, that is how much are you giving the points, extent of background knowledge, understanding structure, details of information, use of evidence and quality of argument, critical analysis of material, evidence of imagination, insight, appropriateness and accuracy of references. Presentation wise, what is more important is spelling, punctuation, grammar, writing style, legibility. So before starting to write, be clear what you are going to say. Write an introduction paragraph, 3 or 4 content paragraphs, then the last conclusion paragraph. There must be 6 paragraphs for 250 words. Make it interesting for people to read. That will get you out of 30 at least 20, 25, 24 marks. Make it interesting. Okay? Thank you. I am not Acha. I thought I should tell you something more also. Yeah, I was coming across. Yeah, this is also another link that can help you. Important essay topics for banking examination, like digital banking, role of banker in Indian financial system, inclusive growth, e-banking, i-banking, technology upgradation in banks. Likewise, I will give the links for these links in the comments column, comments of the video I am posting. So I'm not talking in detail because I know your time is very important. So be sure that you must score minimum 20 marks out of 30 in the written in the further essay, and another say about 10 or 12 marks in the essay writing. That must get you 30 marks. Good. Best wishes. Thank you.